Hello. So, okay. Welcome to create our Sunday stream. I'm Denevro from Somnium Space Community. I'm a 3D designer, independent Unity coder. I made the project IncrediWords, stuff like this. So every Sunday we do creative stuff around Somnium Space. When I say we, I mean hi, and the people that follow me on Discord. I should be on Discord too. Yes, microphone good. So right now we are streaming on Discord, YouTube, Twitch, and Twitter. Sorry. This is my word here, the IncrediWord. 2 weeks ago we worked on the Halloween festival. Last week I think I worked a little on light baking on scene. So for people that watch this stream, every week you will learn stuff on Unity game development and 3D modeling, 3D creation, animation, everything you know to do some creation in Somnium Space Words or any Unity game. In Somnium Space you can have a word that is pretty much an empty Unity game that you can put asset inside it. You don't have to mind about the networking, the voice, and the avatar. All this is handled by Somnium Space, but all the rest you have to do it yourself. From my project IncrediWords, you can rent some spaces. There's a lot of type of space. It's very similar to Somnium Space Word when you upload on it. It's just alternative. So I think I was wanting to do Blender today. I know there's something I would like to do first, because in Word right now we all are struggling to... I would like to do first. Sorry, I just accidentally turned on my right volume. Now we all are struggling to... Okay, sorry about that. Because I'm watching my own stream to make sure I have sound, and now I know the sound is there. Okay, what was I saying? Oh yeah, we all are struggling to have all the basic interaction you have in any game right now in Somnium Space Words. I would like to try to write a list of all the interaction we have and what we need. And this is just one thing I would like to do. And you have this on the Office. That's like Office but free. There, I just want to write down those interaction we have and what we need. So let's think about my favorite game for VR is Control. Sorry, not Control. Half-Life Alyx. They have a great interaction system. I really use their ideas as reference. So let's do the basic UI interaction. I think this is this we figure it out in Somnium yet. Then we have grabbing. It's kind of working well in IncrediWords. We just have problem with multiplayer. Like multiplayer object have difficulty to synchronize, and I have to think about a new way. What do we have in games? There's also something like grabbing is enough for most of the things. So what we would like is pulling, doors, anything that rotate or is pulling, fix an object like doors. That we don't have. That would be very nice. Brushing object in VR, not working. Pushing object in VR. All those basic interaction will make the game much more natural to yeah. Teleporting. That's good. There's a script that I have that don't work. It's player driver. Move the player by script. This way, like elevators, it's partially working in Incredible Words. Token, yeah, we need an inventory. Inventory. Sorry, the music is a little disturbing. There, sorry about that. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay. You can chat with me in YouTube and Twitch if you want. Let me just. You may have feedback. YouTube. It's gone. Okay, sorry. If you want to chat with me, you can on Discord and YouTube. Okay. Inventory like token, object. I wonder how we could do that. Tokens, everything that you don't grab with your hand. By touching. Waypoint. That's kind of done with trigger area. Then, yeah, there's something I don't like with my grabbing system is grabbing object item on floor. Is that true? Oh, floor. It's like it interfere with the body collider. I guess weapon tools that we don't have right now. That's basic. Yeah, weapon and tools is very important in gaming logic. Grabbing item on floor, waypoint, token, inventory. Wow. Touching. Sorry. Game mechanic. A vehicle. Most of the time feature can be everything you do can be bring to something more, to a feature more simple. Like the grabbing item on floor is similar to grabbing, but with something, it would be more distance grab. But this depends on your game mechanic. If you don't want distance grab, I can understand because it's kind of unnatural. Waypoint, that's more for event trigger. Token by touching, inventory system. That's a very big piece that need to be think of. Player driver, pushing object in VR, pulling fixed object. What those bad music? Doors. That should not be too hard to do. With an invisible handle. They already have something. That could be interesting. Precise grabbing too, I would like to see. So, am I missing system game mechanic? Think about it. I guess that's already a lot. Desktop. Game mechanic. That's okay. Grabbing, okay. Like, it's okay. It's not perfect. Multiplayer object. Unstable. Work in progress. It's almost done. Pushing object in VR. That's not possible right now. Player driver. That's work in progress. Inventory system. Nope. We don't have this. Token by touching. Need inventory too, so no. Waypoint, kind of yes. Distance grab, nope. Weapon tool. Let's choose work in progress because we can already handle things. Oh, I know what we need to is automatic item placement in hand or place. Like when you drop, when you have something in your hand like a sword and you touch a wall where it should be standing, it's gonna automatically take the right position in rotation. Wonder if the Twitch and YouTube chat to work if I'm not playing it. I don't know. Hey. Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Wilson.
Hello.
How are you doing? Is the time change to today or tomorrow in Europe?
We were like last week, so I'm not sure.
Really? I thought it was
Yeah.
the 6, 7. Okay, so right now it should be, we are in UK, so it's +4, I think. So, are you 5 p.m.?
No. 6:15 right now.
6 p.m., so you are +5. Oh, sorry. So, Prague is +6, and you are +5 from me, I guess. I was just enumerating all the game mechanic we don't have and which one we need to work on. Maybe you can help me checking if I have everything. So I should be. Yeah, I'm streaming. So we have UI interaction, grabbing. Multiplayer object is very unstable.
Yep.
I was thinking about pulling fixed dynamic object like doors, you know, or like doors or any object that have a constraint, like a door.
It's more like the feedback from touch, isn't it? Like picking up the object, feeling
I
like
mean,
it's gravity
it's
yeah.
you grab a part of an object and you don't really grab it. You kind of pull the object, like a shelf that have how is it called? Damn it! 1 sec. I should keep this open. You're so not okay. Drawer? It's
A
possible?
drawer. Yeah.
Yeah, this. This word. Yeah,
Drawer,
so yeah, so you pull it and you don't have it on in your hand, you know, it's still you just are opening and closing it. It's like a closet and stuff like this. That's our lever, stuff like this.
Switch, levers,
Yeah,
any of that kind of stuff.
switch
yeah.
is more yeah. So this it's not very hard to do because I have an example. Let me find it. Photon controller. This scene here, I have an example that is not really working, but the idea is there. It's this here. The idea was when you pull the cube, it's this one here have a constraint on rotation, so it can only be rotate normally. So when you play with this cube here, it could be invisible and be in a handle to rotate this one. The problem is this have not been made for doing that. So even if this one is constrained, like it's hinge joint, like a wheel. Even if it's constrained like a wheel, if you pull in the wrong direction with an infinite force, it's still gonna be, yeah, it doesn't really work. But the idea is here. Another thing that's annoying is that we cannot push object with our body because we are character controller, you know. A character controller is a physical object that cannot push anything. So pushing an object in VR, that's important too. This is my here player driver is my elevator script. It's working in 2D only for now, I think. That need to be that's all the basic game mechanic we need for having a complete game. Inventory system is very important too, that have not been done at all. Token by touching is like when you want I don't know, you have a coin on the ground and you want to get it in your inventory by touching it. You see? That's token by touching. Waypoint, yeah, that's more for event trigger and stuff. That's not very hard to do. Distance grabbing, I to be honest, I want Incrediware to be more realistic. So distance grabbing, I was not really excited about it. But the problem is when you try to grab something on the floor, it's a mess because it interacts with your body.
Because you have to get the right collider to collide correctly. Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
that's. I even wonder if it's not a complete chaos to do. Because
I wonder if it's more like a predictive grab. You know, like if you're reaching out for an object, it kind of knows you're trying to grab it, so it makes it easier for you, so it moves towards you.
Yeah, normally what games do, it project cylinder from your hand, and it's gonna highlight the game object the closest to the middle of the cylinder, something like this. So when there's a lot of object, you can still select it.
I think the part that I lose, like immersion, like VR wise, if I'm grabbing onto an object, you have to pull the trigger full, and you have to hold that trigger. It doesn't feel like you're holding an object anymore. It feels like you're holding a button, and obviously there's no other way around that. But it was really,
Yeah,
just getting action.
you don't have access to all the buttons on controllers, so I could not use the force button, for example. But most of the game do it this way, so I guess it feels natural.
Most of the time when you use the trigger button, it's either shooting or to action. So it's just a quick trigger that you really need.
If you have a gun, and you grab it, you kind of
when you grab it,
can't really shoot. Then
on your controller, you're holding the controller, so that still feels like you're holding an object. You're not using your trigger finger to shoot.
One of the ways that's nice is that when you grab an object, it's another button to release it, so you don't have to always grab it. It's kind of annoying in a lot of games. You always drop your items by accident.
If you let go, drop it. The only thing I can see here that I was thinking about was save points. From a game point of view.
What do you mean?
Like, to save your game, like I want to stop there, but I want to come back.
Oh, save your position. Yeah, that's an idea. It could be like in most game, it's a special place you can save your position when you spawn.
It shouldn't have to be saved forever. We should call it a toilet break. Say, right, I'm on a toilet break. you get 3 minutes. If you can't be back in that time, then you lose your life or whatever.
Yeah. Oh, life. Yeah, that's true. Life in other states. Vehicle, weapon, tools.
So
Weapon
vehicle
tool
covers
is
quite a lot.
yeah,
Um,
that's kind of one mechanic. It's the mechanic of the your player being driven and also the vehicle being driven. But it's a very big challenge doing vehicle.
so what about animation states as well, though?
Sorry, animation state.
Animations like for setting, for like all these different parts need to be worked out
You mean the vehicle?
inside the vehicle. Yeah.
Not necessarily. Oh, you mean for the avatar?
Mhm.
That's not impossible. It's just very complicated with VR. Very complicated. I have no idea how to do that, but that's not something I want to work on in close future. To be honest, I will put it in last position.
Yeah, I would put that way
Being
to the
in a vehicle, it's something, but controlling a vehicle is a complete other.
yeah.
Precise grabbing, I like.
Eh,
That's something I want to do through precise grabbing. A little sphere on between your thumbs and your index, there
w-
to precisely grab stuff, you know. Or maybe
w-
use the laser.
would that
Yeah,
not come together with the object? What did you
yeah,
have?
distance grabbing,
Distance
correct.
grabbing, two of them together.
Uh, free music sucks. You don't hear it, but oh my god, precise grabbing.
There's another one, musical add-ons like sound effects and stuff.
Yeah, but I don't think it's a feature you need to build. It's kind of built in already.
It's just getting people to use that, like footsteps and
Oh,
like
that. Yeah. This here is automatic item placement. Like when you know you have a game where you need to put an object here, then when the object is close, it's gonna snap. Oh yeah, object snapping. That's better. Um, yeah, I think it's pretty much around the basics.
So I was looking at Unite 2022 today, and they were talking about dots. Have you looked into that?
Yeah, I've been in Unite at Montreal.
Yeah,
Uh, Dots. I hear about it, but I have no idea what this is.
they've they've made a full multiplayer capability. There's a
Oops.
new version how to do multiplayer and everything. I'm gonna have to real back look into
I
it
don't.
because I only
I
watched a video on it today.
Oh, this thing. Data oriented. I think I know what you mean. Uh, I'm not sure.
It's obviously brand new, and
Yeah, I mean it's probably not possible with the old fart Unity we have, but you know I just referencing to the version of Unity. I've been launching a Unity a VR scene in Unity 2022, and
hmm
gosh, it's way more sharper. There's something with Unity we have that is blurry. Pixels are not accurate. There's something weird somewhere, but we will probably gain a lot in precision with the new Unity version. I've been trying Unity in 2022 HDRP for VR just for fun. Complete mess. I did not add a lot of FPS. Maybe HDRP is not good for VR.
they're about to mix the two as well.
Sorry?
The render pipelines and stuff. It doesn't matter which pipeline you go in
Oh,
with.
I see what you mean. Yeah, you've seen
Yeah,
the intro video of Unity. So yeah, I got it. Um, yeah. I would really like to have PR game in HDRP, but I'm wondering if it's possible. I
Wait,
was in the template scene. I deleted everything I could, and I still had barely 60 FPS.
there's a demo scene for a multiplayer shoot 'em up game as well that they've made for everybody.
Yeah, but you know we can't do C# in Somnium, so
Yeah, I know. Could run on the web though. Use WebXR.
oh no, not touching web. I don't like WebXR. The how they made the 3D is different from PC, and it's very weird. Distance are different. It's I don't understand. WebXR is very weird, let's say. Um, damn, I wish I could repair this stupid unstable multiplayer system. Because normally Fulton is made that you have two ways of having game object. Either way, they are already in the scene, or they are instantiated with Fulton. But we can't do both. You know why? Cannot instantiate because it's not working, and we cannot already have them because the board is dynamic. So the way I'm creating Fulton object don't seem to be correct, and they are getting an unsync all the time. Very annoying. I'm
Is that
very
because you request them to be
I'm creating
instantiated?
them on the
Yeah.
flow, not the official way. So they are kind of wrongly made, and they are not synced. Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It's very unstable. I may return to my first idea was to upload a world with like 100 object inside it, and then they are all empty, you know, empty.
Mhm.
Then you use one, you put something inside it, and I don't know, something like this. That could be an idea to have it more stable. Most of us use either way ONG or encode words, so we need to do that something like that. I wonder how maybe they figured something out. I don't know. That's really annoying. Another way is to manually set the ID of the object, but you can only have 1000. So if a space have the same ID and then another, it's a complete mess. And I tried changing the ID on the fly, you know, and it's very unstable. You should not be changing the ID.
Could you not get it to be player ID plus whatever thing
No,
after?
because player ID is already in thousands.
Alright.
And now I cannot change the ID, like I said. Cannot change it. And with only 1000, it's very hard to give every space, I don't know, 20 IDs, you know?
Mhm.
That would be possible, but people will need to type them before uploading. Ah, it's a real pain. I don't know what to do. Solution could be like I said, you create 100 object and I don't know.
When do we know any dates for the update to the new Unity version?
Oh my god, we don't have, and I did not went to the last meetup. Did they said anything?
No.
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 I'm guessing don't wait it because it's gonna take months and maybe half a year. It's a very big. Maybe I'm underestimating Somnium, but I know it's a very big challenge because they are not. It's not just an update. A lot of stuff it will be broken, and they also need to update all the add-ons they are using. And some stuff are deprecated now. They have to be replaced. So it's a very big job. And some of the add-on they use have been deprecated, and the new version is different. Yeah, so you can guess it's a big part, big work.
That's
Is
their
this
job.
Christmas
That's what
music?
we did. I can't hear any music.
I know.
So what do you plan to do today, Denevro? What do you want to do?
That was the first part. Then I maybe do some, I don't know, some Blender. I don't know what to do anymore. I'm so desperate. Because the thing we badly want in Somnium Space right now is something to do when there's no one. Or at least something to do at all. So we need more game mechanic.
Yeah, it's
Cannot
like
call.
a one player
Yeah, I cannot
killer
call too
thing,
much in
you know?
stream 2 because it's proprietary code. But let me think about something. I don't know why I want to do plants that you put water on it, and they
Yeah,
grow every day.
why don't you do that to make a what actually a level system like it counts up. If you can just make a counter. So get one box, you've got one on your UI. Can you do that?
Let me try something first. Okay, so I'm gonna close this, create a new project here. For me, a new project is just a new game object. There. It's gonna be called water plant, even if it makes no sense. Of course, it's the other, of course it's on a random place there. I never really understood this. Reset. So, there's a feature I never really use that I have right now. It's persistent storage. Let me do something about that. So for the object, what could I say for testing it?
You know what would be quite nice? Make a letterbox
Letterbox.
and the people
Cannot
have
type yet. I don't know. Script.
not used on-screen keyboard though.
I don't have the keyboard yet, like I said. I would need to create a keyboard. Let's try this. Ah, I don't know. UI. I have a
How
basic
was
UI.
how
There.
was your fireworks night yesterday?
Sorry.
Did you go
What?
to fireworks night? It was
What?
fireworks.
I don't
Fireworks?
understand. Why would I?
Guy Fawkes night? Like, do you not have the fireworks over your way?
No, why would we have fireworks? I don't get. I don't get it.
Alright, well, for we celebrate fireworks night over here in the UK.
Oh, but it's isn't it a UK event?
I don't know. I thought everybody had fireworks at this time.
I never hear about that.
No, we
Oh,
we have a big bonfire and have fireworks going off.
absolutely no idea.
Hold on 2 seconds. Right, I'm gonna have to go.
Okay, no
you're gonna
probs. See you.
making a bun, but I will be back in about 20
Okay,
minutes.
okay.
Okay, thank you, man.
Bye. Ewonet database set. Ewonet database get. Oh. I just need to create some random string. There. Can't believe I never tried this feature. I called it. So this is persistent storage. User can use in Somnium space. In Credit Words. It's those two nodes really, nothing very complicated. Oh yeah, I need to make them available for you in Credit Word user. So there's a slider here. Oh, this UI is not in the right place. Slider. Okay. The slider. This is what I want. Okay. Yep. Okay. On value change. I'm guessing it's 0 to 1. And I wouldn't also need trigger custom even. Set slider value. That's something I need. There. From outside, set value. Is it simple? Oh, it seems it's simple. Okay. There. That should do it. Now I don't need to be on this script anymore. This will probably be null. Gonna create that debug text mesh pro. Oh, it's always a pain. Okay. I also need to open my Somnium space. I'm not gonna work too much on this. I want to do some Blender too. Oh, hi, there's someone BioCryo on Twitch. Coming up with Photon ID on N68. Yeah, are you still there for BioCryo? Coming up with Photon ID on instantiate. Yeah, if you find anything by a cryo, I'm desperate. I tried everything and it's so unstable. The Photon. Hi. Yeah, it's very. Oh my god. Photon is a pain to work with in a dynamic way, like I do. If you have a word, normal word, I don't think you will have problem with Photon. But since I create object on the fly, did you get the Photon instantiation to work by a cryo? I know there is a function for that. Whoa. Where was I? Yes. Oh, I was gonna do a test. Can I use a space 60? Yeah, for my test. Evo uploader. I need something free. Okay, I need to find. Is 27 used? Where the fuck is 27? Probably here. I think it's the one where. Oh, okay. Thanks to Cryo. 27. I think it's the one with. Yeah, it's the one that load a scene, so I don't need it. 27. Test. EvoDB. Rename. And I'm gonna change this number for 60. 60. Assign. There. Now I can upload. Yeah, I did not really talk about IncrediWords, FileDB, EvoNetDB, all those things. I made a lot of network layer for persistent information, for synchronizing information, since we don't really have those in Photon yet. It's not perfect, but it's not bad too. Okay, so this UI is functioning, sample text, got it. Okay, so now the MP4 Text Mesh Pro, Text Mesh Pro, Text Mesh Pro, Text Mesh Pro, Text Mesh Pro set text. Yeah, I guess. So, object to string. I don't know what type it's gonna be. I don't remember. Pretty sure it's some kind of text. Okay, so when the space will be loaded, it's gonna show what is in this variable in the database I made. Oh. Okay, there's nothing. I'm not sure what this means. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Slow loop. Every 1 second, it's gonna check Oh wait, this is an event. Never mind. So why does he get nothing? So weird. So normally, when I will press space, it should random range. It should. I need to type slowly, slowerly, more slow. Into string. Okay. So every time I'm gonna press space, I'm gonna generate a random number between 0 and 999, and it's gonna print it to this variable, and normally it should be updated every second. Okay, let's try this. I never tried to use my network layer with a very fast data, like literally replacing Fulton. That could work, but I'm not sure. And most people are in Europe and my server is in US, so I don't know if it would be a good idea. Okay. That did not work. Oh, it did. But there must be an error since it only worked once. Okay, let's go check this. Somnium space VR player.log. Oh wow, what are those? Okay, I don't see errors here. So must be my script that's wrong. This should have worked. Variable database. Oh. I'm not sure. Let's check here. Eight, 4, 8. Right? 8, 4, 8. Oh. Problem is it refresh every time I jump. Somehow it don't change. Oop, what happened here? Oh. Yeah, my project is so complicated. Scene as variable. Wait for. Wait until. Wait until. Wait, what? Wait until. There. Oh, damn it. I use to reference my script to the wall game. I use scene variable, but if I will have redone it, I will use application variables. So I'm waiting that variable to exist. Then we can start this. That must be what. Maybe it's what happened, but I'm not sure. Ah, damn it. Never create in edit mode. As variable. Yeah, don't use scene variables. You use application. Wait until. There. That should do it now. Yeah, let's go. Play. Ah, of course. You cannot have a delay if you don't have a coroutine. I normally don't like wait until. I'm afraid it will be too heavy. Ah, damn it. It's because that this script is not saved, so every time I quit play mode, it loses there we go. Hello. Okay, so this script is not working. I think I understand. Okay. I misunderstood my own script. So now I understand how it worked. So this one get I thought it was an event that received any change on this variable, but that's not it. It's not good. Thought it will do it. Anyway, so at least it's working. So when I do that, let's do a test. Good. So test I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quit Somnium. First I wanna test my variable db. So I'm gonna quit Somnium and return and see if the value is the same. I remove the space bar, change it. Because it's hard to play without pressing spacebar. Okay, what value do we have now? Set 738. 738. Let's quit Somnium and come back. This will confirm that the variable db is working. Set 38. Set 38. So if you have any idea of project you would like to do in IncrediWorks, know that you can save persistent information with this way. I mean, if you ask me how to do it, of course. Seven, 3, 8. That's the number we are looking for. Tick-tack. I think I want to do a new house model after this. More futuristic, I don't know. I have some ideas I got from games. 60. 738. Yay, we have persistent information now. Jump, jump, jump. That's good. So I can do things that are like water your plants and stuff like this. I will be able to do it now. Great. Okay, I'm on the Blender now. I know I created the IncrediHouse system, but you know, what's this? Let me remove my notification. Sorry. Okay. So I know I made the IncrediHouse system and stuff like this to make it simpler, but the best way to do anything is really to create it in a less modular way, because it's more efficient and the look will look better after it. I think I'm gonna do a new free house. I don't know. First I need to save as somewhere. Oh, good. So Denevro houses. That's not correctly. It's not even my project. Houses. I don't know, contract one. There.
Hey,
Hello. There.
sorry. I've been trying to talk to you for ages. I
Oh.
realised it's muted. So what type of house are you thinking of
More
designing?
futuristic. Something
Ooh.
like not modern, but I don't know. I've been playing futuristic game recently, so Star Wars Jedi. I know it's old, 1 or 2 years old. I love how it's so smooth. I love how smooth things are. It's something I want to learn more. So, you know what is the rule of futuristic things? Round corners. I'm joking. I'm joking. Bevel vertices. Okay, I'm not gonna work 4 time, so it's better to do one quarter. I can't wait they repair this bug. So I'm gonna make this part here and multiply by 8, sorry. sec, I'm lost. So mirror. And then a rotate modifier. So it's array, object offset, and then I create an empty object.
No, you just
Axis.
do
You know this? Do you know this tricks? And then it's the only way I found. But there. Now I have 8 times this piece. I like that the interior is 10 meters, so yeah. Last, nope, at last. Let me try something. Snap on vertices. Can I slap on this one? No, I can't. Would be too good. Oh, I can probably do clipping. Merge. There, good. But like I said, round corners.
faking it.
What do you know what is a standard? Maybe I don't know.
What height of
3 meters? Yeah.
depends where you are, but basically anything over 2.4 will feel quite high.
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Yeah. It's VR, right? We love when it's big.
And remember, like most people are about what 1600, 1700 high. So you talk about an extra
So it's
meter.
twice.
So
Twice.
2.7. I usually go to 3 meters just to give them a bit
Really?
extra
Okay.
space.
Anyway, it's a futuristic house, and if you all know that in the future everyone is rich, even
Mhm.
if it's not true, that's what they want to. But okay, so you see, this is in angle. I can do S Shift Z 0. GG. GG. Like I said. Whoa. No, I want to go in this direction. Damn it. Ah. There. Merge. Why is that working? I don't really like don't really like to use hard normals because it's better to use bevel. It's just more beautiful, more smooth. This is wrong here. Alt N, average face area. Oh wow. What's happening here? Sometime normals have difficulties with. Oh yeah, when yeah, I said I don't like hard normals, but when it's edges. Oh, this is not correct. Don't know where it come from. Vertices. Okay. Face area. Still look like shit. I'm gonna have it. Smooth is the rule. Never use hard edge if you want something beautiful. There. Something not makes sense here. Oh, you see, it's not centered. And thanks to the merging, it's automatically perfect. You know, I could export my house being only 1/4, 1/8, and then Unity will just, I mean, reuse the polygons. Okay, let's see how it look. Okay, so since I'm using mirror modifier, I'm gonna take the edge and split it. I know that's not what I said, but it is just better with the modifier. Okay, this one I have problems. G Shift Z. G Shift Z. Face area. Yeah, the up. Okay, here there's no bevel yet. Okay. Bevel edge. There. It's not perfect yet, but it's going good. Ah, now it still don't like the corner. Okay, let's
I don't know what your fascination with symmetry for houses. You don't need
it's just for saving time, that's it. No other, there's no oh wow. There's no real other reason.
That's a cool building. What to do? Made us solidify that, and then stack them on top of each other, different angles all the way up. You've made a perfect.
Yeah, I know you like this style. You're right. No, I do really two squarey things.
Or could we make a Jenga house that we can knock down?
Jenga house?
Jenga,
What's
big
Jenga?
blocks. It's like blocks that you stack on top of each other, and it's a game that you pull out on a
Oh, I see.
computer.
Yeah, I've seen this style. Okay, there's nothing I can do against this. Oh, it worked. Yeah, weird. One of the thing with normals is that they don't really look nice if you have two narrow polygons. So they solve. Oh, damn it. What we could do to increase the quality is to add some subdivision like this. Don't really add something here in this specific case. Okay, next step. So I've been thinking about some mix with wood and futuristic patterns. Circle. Whoa. Circle, thank you very much. Hey, 16 please. Okay, I'm gonna add more if I need more. Sorry, I move a lot. Okay. Wait outside. Face area. Face area really do a good job. So, would like the middle to be wood, and the contour to be another material. So, M1. And it could be polish. Don't know what else it could be. And then some kind of wood here. There. Let's try this. Material, texture, texture base. I want some kind of any wood could do it. In fact,
That's a nice wood.
we have this one that's more rough.
Needs to be nice and smooth polished. That
Smooth can look more modern.
one.
This one have more contrast. Oak. I really only want the texture, to be honest, and it's around the wrong way. Oh yeah, that look good. UVs. There. Where was I? Layout?
Is that borderless texture? Will that?
Sorry?
Is it borderless?
Borderless, what do you mean?
The texture, the image, can it be duplicated?
You
Will
mean
that,
if it can be like in an array without seeing a seam?
seamless, yeah.
I don't know, probably. Oh, this one is nice too. Yeah, but let's stick with this one. So, need another shape for the corner. I really just need the circle area. Okay. X-ray mode. So what I want to do is this. Need that. This need to be bevel. Why? What I? Oh, okay. SZ0. Is there something weird here? Yes. SZ0. Okay. I already hate this bug in Blender. I cannot delete or I do not delete or use the numbers on the numpad. It's one or the other. So annoying. Okay, merge. At center. If I want this to be equal to the rest, I can use active element. I select this as an active, S, Z, 0. There. So now it's equal. I need this to make a bevel just after. E, Shift Z, yes, S, 0, M, there. Now I can bevel. Bevel. A word where everything is bevel. Bevel. Wonder if... Okay. I select this as the active. G in control, it snap here. G, Z. Yes, it worked. No, did not.
How did you get in Snap to work there? Oh, right, I see. On the top part.
Here.
Yep.
Did not work. Okay.
What are you trying to build just now? Did that work? No.
Good question. This is just a corner with wood too.
Okay.
Oh wow. There's a nice option here. Select loops, edge. No, nope, not this one. Boundary loops. You see? Now I can do mark seam. Now I can do unwrap. So I have something similar in density. By having a bevel here, when I will bake the ambient occlusion and stuff, we will have nice shadow here and it's gonna be smooth. At least I hope. Okay, now nice thing to do. Duplicate linked. So those two are the exact same mesh, but with different, I mean, no, it's the same mesh. So when I will export, no, sorry, I'm not in the right mindset. This is gonna all be merged at the end? Not sure. What's this? Why is it rotating around there? Oh, because the center is there. Okay, got it. Damn it. Never mind. Never mind. Let's just use classical. I'm just rotating it like this so we don't see the pattern repeating. In fact, they can be joined. Let's take everything, but not this, and apply Alt Transform. There. There. Oh, yeah, I forgot. I said to avoid having
That looks nice.
pattern. Yeah, there. Now it looks less repetitive. It still look pretty repetitive. Okay, I'll tame it. It's not gonna be fully symmetrical. Array. Can I copy this? How do I copy a modifier?
Mm,
Eek,
you
they don't work.
cannot just copy and paste it.
Oh, I did not find out. There. I do the same here. Array, object offset, empty, 4. There. I have my corners. This material is gonna be glossy. House gonna be white. Curious about baking. UV. Whoa, whoa, calm down. Unwrap. Oops. Here. Forgot they were an outside. I love to mark the seam on the corners. This help a lot the baking. It look like less pixelized here. Both are good options. Let's try this now. Good. Just by curiosity. Cycle, bake, ambient occlusion. I need material, of course. I don't know. Image texture. Light never really need too high quality, too high resolution. But here we are trying to do something nice. Okay. GPU, thank you very much. Wow, horrible. What happened? Let's add some lights. Area. That's a very weak 200 watts light.
That's what I've found that, you know, with the lighting and stuff, you have to jack it really high
This is
compared to what
200 watts should light
should be
like
really
hell
bright.
in a
Mhm.
house. Surface color. Oh yeah, it's black. That doesn't help. Okay, not too bad. Um, let's try this now.
Move the light off the floor.
Why is
You're
the
gonna get
denoising? Okay. Because ambient occlusion don't really are not really affected by light normally. Maybe this one is more realistic. No, there's a way of fast global yeah, this one is more
it's probably
there.
closer to what we would get in VR anyway. That's a black.
Don't look too bad. It's a little noisy because baking ambient occlusion do not support the denoising. I don't know why. But we can bake everything. Combine. Yeah, there's artifacts since we are in symmetry mode. Or no, I think it come from the denoiser.
You're
Adjacent
also
face
getting
extend.
a line right in the middle, aren't you?
Yeah, the denoiser have difficulty with those edge. So if I disable the denoiser, uh, where are you? It's gonna look better. Look, you see? I don't know why. This is very crucial. I can still denoise manually with composing, and I use image render image. No, it's image. AO here. It's not as good as the built-in denoiser, but it do the job. There, damn it. Good. Image. F12. No camera found. Delete. There. Now it applied denoise on it. Let's try this. Nope. Did that work? Oh yeah, I need to save it, of course. Oh, and it's in... Need to change the format too. There. Image. Save as. IO, whatever, I guess. Then this image to here.
Where are you gonna put your door?
I
It's a
don't
house.
know. I'm gonna punch a hole somewhere.
It's a house. You need to be able to go inside.
There. look a little bit better. Maybe the AO should be 1K finally. Look good. None look too bad. Cannot know how important are lights and reflection. I've been seeing the template HDRP scene, and they put a lot of reflection probe.
Mm-hmm. Also, a lot of
They
lights
try to
because
approximate any shape with reflection probe in fact.
but that's because they've got a multiple instance like calculator or something they've just made that dots take over. It's crazy.
But you can have multiple reflection probe with what we have right now. They are gonna mix together too.
Mm-hmm. They're saying they can run.
I just
like,
wonder how heavy it could be. But you
did you see the human face? That was
yeah
15
yeah. I've seen the
megabytes.
all.
Yeah,
I've been at the event. I told you. So
yeah. Were you actually sitting in the audience?
what?
Were you in the audience? Did you go along, or
Yeah,
did you?
I will go
Yeah.
alone. I got bored after 1 hour and I was alone, so it was boring. So I was trying to show you what happened if you have reflection probe inside different than outside, then you can have really realistic environment. Or everything is gonna be blue inside if you don't do that. I don't know why the sound was not working when I went there first time. Sound is not always working for some reason. The sound effect I'm using.
Is the triggers are just not getting picked
No,
up?
they are not triggers. They are just always working. They're supposed to be always working.
I was on last night. Can't remember the gentleman's name that I was with, but we were running around inside the Halloween area. He was loving it. So, so cool. He said that he thought that you were selling your land. I was like, no, I think it's more.
Really?
More down. Yeah.
How? Not. I don't know why I will do that. But you do. Maybe it would be a better. Maybe it would be better if I sell the land. I don't know. I don't know anymore. It seems people don't really like to rent because you. I don't know. You see what I mean? But there is Decentraland. You can. I think you can buy a land and then you have to pay a rent, like network fees. That could be another thing too. So I could sell the lands and have very cheap network fees.
But like a service fee.
Yeah, server fee or something like this. I could also just sell land. I don't know. There are multiple ways. It's not like if this project could die, you know. it really costs almost nothing. I mean, only 1,000 of hours from myself, but my side, but yeah.
So just thinking out loud, I don't know, how many hours do you think you've actually spent on this project?
I mean, I'm almost working full time and sometime more than full time. So in real developer, I'm guessing tens of thousands of dollars,
yes,
maybe more.
Exactly. And we're a good 2 years in now, so
Maybe yeah, 1 year, 2 year. I'm not sure. I don't see the time anymore.
But the thing, it's more like a pet project now. You
What?
you love the project though. You like what you're doing.
I do it because I love it. Or I will just get depressed. This one is gonna be a light. Polish. And the middle is gonna be light. basically, oops, emissive.
Make it like the old hospital lights, you know,
And
with the
I think
diffuser.
an area light is more futuristic than a point light. Because it's very hard, inexpensive to do area light. But does future mean more expensive? I don't know. But maybe better industrial capacity. So things that are complicated now could be simpler in the future. I don't know. What about retracing now? Ooh, fancy. Oh wow.
Get some bloom on there. With
Yeah,
crap
but the bloom is gonna be yeah, but you know the bloom is not
built in.
here.
Yeah.
So great.
Right,
Okay.
jump on Blender kit. Stick in. It looks like a hospital to me just now.
What?
Get a hospital bed.
Why? Not getting
It
an
looks,
hospital.
it looks
You're
like a hospital.
you're an hospital.
It looks like a hospital there.
Everyone know that future house have LEDs everywhere, right?
Hmm.
But that can be added later. It doesn't really affect the lighting. Oh yes, it does. Never mind. And I said nothing.
And you know, in the future, a house would never be that big. It would be like a cell.
Yeah, that would be a 10-person house.
Yeah. Lots of
But
room.
but
Lots of walls in
I said
between.
futuristic style, not
But we're all
futuristic realistic.
all standing with a VR headset on, going, "Wow, look how big my house is."
Oh my god, what? That's so that's so sad. That's so sad.
We should.
Making circle is very expensive in polygons. Circle 16. There, that's better.
Making a round door.
Round light. No, no round door. That's dumb.
Put door in.
I'm not sure
What?
about the door. I will see.
I'm feeling claustrophobic right now. I need the door and the window.
Oh wait, I need window. Damn it. I can figure something out. Where is the original? There. Okay, so if I put this here, I can have window there. I can have a door here. Window, window, door, and
You,
LEDs here. Good.
would that not give you like 4 doors? 8
I
windows?
mean, I can put window where there is no doors. It's technically an incredi house, so kind of. Merge. Bevel. Oh, this has an expensive shape. Whoa, 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 come. Bevel. There. Nice shape. Oh, no, 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 I don't love it. Alright, that's better. Oh, yeah, oh, yeah. You snap now? Yes. Good. So, first polish, then
What do you call this? Are these shelves?
it's gonna be a color light. A sign. Like, I don't know. Depends if you are gentle or evil.
It reminds me of the Solana.
if it's an evil house, it's gonna be red. Everyone know that.
Or orange.
Oh wait, we need green or blue.
Blue.
Blue light help for the happiness. Green life, I think it's more peace. And red, orange is warm. I think warm would be better. Or it depends the how yeah, it depends the day in fact. Oh, emission strength. There, this one too. Try this. Mirror. Array. What the? That's because I did not apply modifier. Sorry, Aldon's form. There. Oh, no, 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 I don't like it. Maybe not the style of the year, but it's gonna be nice anyway. So now I can rebake the... Is it select? Yes.
Put the window in there.
Oh yeah, window. Right.
Put
Of
put a
course.
long, tall window in that corner.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That was the idea. Let me just hide this. There. I'm gonna punch it.
Use the same shape as that.
I don't really like the circle light. Oh, they are just too big. Yeah. Where's the original? Oh, there. Okay. So I am gonna use this here, individual origin. That's better. What's this? I think Skull touched the door and it cracks. That's so funny. Doors. Sorry. Window. Where's the original? There.
Gonna make them like peepholes.
Holes. That's an idea too. That's
Which
an
one?
idea. No, lights. It's too important. Lights is way too important. Hey, bevel, damn it. There. By doing this, I can select that, this, and do this like this. I need to remove that. Hooray! Hey, you bastard. Control Z don't always work. Array, no. Empty. There. So this is gonna be the puncher. Puncher. Doesn't really matter. Oh, it worked. Somehow. Oh, I need it again.
They're quite high doors. How are you going to set up the height of the door to be?
Oh, you
People know.
told me that the doors need to be as high as the...
I did not say that.
Yeah, let me think.
The window. So your door only needs to be about the fourth height round part. That would be about the normal height of a door. So you're gonna be,
Maybe there's something I can do, or just do super high doors.
yeah, just make them big.
Yeah.
Turn them on an angle though.
Okay.
That's it.
We are in
Yeah.
the
That's it. That is exactly how a space house would look. But it would have like a force field instead of a window.
No, I'm not sure. Damn it. What the? Am I in global? Oh, yeah. I don't understand.
That's a cool shape. Go back to where you were. Go back to. I don't know what you did there. It was a nice shape.
It's fine like this. It's not a ship. It's just
I
a
think you
it's
should.
just an indie house.
Mhm.
Oh, like
should
you
make
said,
it
it could
a
be a
ship.
stackable house.
Mhm. Stack it up 3 times.
And then
Four
the outside there is, I don't know, an elevator or something.
No. We've got teleporter.
Oh, damn it.
Beam me up, Scotty.
No, not that future. That's too much future.
No, that's exactly what
I
we're
don't
gonna
really
do.
work teleportation, to be honest. It's not very
Yeah, between
realistic.
floors would be good though, because stairs are so
I also
much
need
weight.
to figure out the floor here, the design.
Yeah, but if you teleport, you don't need to worry about holes.
No, not teleport. I hate teleporting. It's not realistic.
Well,
I
do you know
try
what?
to make...
I actually thought about this the other day, didn't I, bro? I was thinking we should flip it on its head and we should make the house teleport rather than the person. So the person stays still, but the rest of the house
Yeah.
hops around them.
No. Nah.
So I want to go to the fourth floor. It's not actually the fourth floor. The fourth floor comes to them, and it goes right round them.
Nah. Mm-mm. Whoa. Right
So do you think
selection.
everything will be white in the future? I doubt
White?
it.
No,
Yeah.
it's just a logical choice to be white for the light. Nothing say that we will have infinite energy, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So having stuff white is just better for lighting. But I don't think what I mean, there's no link between the color and the time in my choice.
I think with the type of paints that they're making these days, that they clean themselves. Like you don't need to clean anything. It's becoming more
Clean
normal.
themselves.
Yeah, the paint just
Yeah,
stays
you
clean.
mean are you talking about the paint, sun paint or something?
Mm-hmm. It's like,
Yeah, but there's no sun inside.
who
I mean,
says there can't?
there's one thing in the future. If everything go well, that is not really likely. we there will be too much people in every city. You see? So
That's why
house will
we
be
have
small, and
little
small
houses.
house mean that there will be. Wait, what the fuck happened? Oh yeah, small house mean that there will be tall building everywhere. That will be like um, how do you say that? There will be tall building. So you need lights, you know? I don't
Mm-hmm.
know. I'm thinking.
Because everything will be
But
in
at the
shadow.
same time, energy. Right now, right now it's in my country. It's illegal to have a room without window. But maybe one day we just won't have the choice. You know,
So is it actually illegal, or is it a requirement to have a window?
it's illegal to not have a window in a room. There's still there's still places that they are still doing it. You know, to rent rooms to people without window, but it's not illegal. Because imagine how many places we will save if we don't have window in the rooms. You can make a gigantic cube of a house, and then it would be way more efficient than towers, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So they won't have a window probably one day because they will just make a gigantic cube, and the rich people will be on the sides. They will get like 1 watts of light. We'll just see the fog outside.
I wonder if you would get it. Yeah, it's an interesting concept. I think I'm gonna think of one. Might actually design a building to see if you can make it nice inside.
I mean, with virtual reality, you can have like, you know, some kind of some kind of
Just out of interest, go and array that building like 40 high and like 50 wide to see what it looks like. Make it a big,
You want to make an area of the building?
yeah. See what it would look like in a big cube, kind of looking.
Yeah, sure. Oh, cube. Oh my
Yeah,
god.
and what
But we
you've
don't
got
have
your
outside.
door,
You
so
want
each one
to
of
make lag my PC?
it
Oh,
shouldn't be that bad. How big can you make it? You need to go up the way as well, obviously. How many did you do there?
whoop, that's too much.
That was quite a lot.
That's too much.
Whoa.
Oh, that's nice. That's a building. You
Mhm.
know, you have
It's a
window for
city.
everyone. If
Yeah,
you
that's a
wanna,
city.
can
It's
do
a
an
whole city.
I can do an Incredible Wars like this.
Yeah.
You know,
It's like
you make a U.
what floor? What
No, a
floor and
circle.
which?
You make a circle, okay?
Mhm.
And a beautiful park on the middle.
Exactly. I think we should do it.
Oh, no, no, better a sphere, and the inside. Oh no, you need light inside. Wow, it's gigantic.
That's a lot of buildings. Uh, where do you stay, Denebro? I stay on floor
Oh,
629.
here.
Uh, XY.
It's
Yeah.
by the way,
And then
it's only 64 floors. It's not that big.
64 floors is massive. And remember, they're like 3 meter rooms.
No, it's
So
10 by
that
10. Each room is 10 by 10 meters.
that's half a mile high.
Wait, it's 600 meters right now. Oh,
So what did you say? 63 floors? 64
200
floors.
meters by 600.
To 192 meters. What's the tallest building in the world just now, isn't it?
Look. Tallest is like 2 kilometer, no? 1 kilometer in Dubai or something.
Yeah, but it gets smaller as it goes up, eh?
Yeah,
So
yeah, I
they're not
know, but
really.
still.
So 828 meters.
Look, this is more like a building. You can it's a road. Really? 800 meters? When I see how long it is?
828.
266 floors. Array 266. Wait, my camera is dying. Wait. There. So you are here and this is the first floor. Let me go at the perspective of a person.
So that's going to be our. This is our NFT project, people. If you want to buy a floor
It's $5.
in the highest,
It's
the highest
$5.
building, yeah, the highest building in the metaverse. It's
Wilson,
220.
Wilson, it's $5 multiplied by the floor.
Oh man. Yeah, let's do it. Metaverse project's on.
There's already a metaverse project looking like this, but oh yeah, that's something I think I could do. So it could be gigantic building, and you will have like it would be empty inside, so you can make your division, your floors. Could have, I don't know, 9 meters by 25, and then you do whatever you want inside it. Could be nice, and you only have the outside glasses. This is good because it will only load when you are at the door. That's a very good idea. So let's see. 20, it's 50. That's 50 meters. That's a lot. Wait, this is 25 meters.
So you can get at least
There. This is
8 floors.
and this is 3 floors. Imagine you have a building with a lot of cubes like this. So you have enough for 3 floors, 25 by 25. And it will look like this probably. Like circle will be better. And then you can make a gigantic building. There's no, yeah, do not necessarily need to be too big. Yeah, like this. Oh, and I know. Here it will be open, so you have more lights. I'm not sure about there, but no need to be doubled. Just that will be no, because you still need elevator. We need stairs, elevators. Elevator there and there.
You know what? We're in VR. Why don't we get a catapult? You have to run back and catapult up to
you
your
can fly.
room.
So you have
And if
enough
you
to
miss
fit.
it, you can't
You have
run.
enough to. You have a lot of space here. Yeah, that look interesting. And when you are inside, I don't know what to say. So you have a nice view. Yeah, I need to make a city. I don't know. Let's see. Maybe next Creator Sunday. Oh, I know. And then you can do a shape like this.
Have them stacked towards with outside balconies.
Yeah, you're right. We need balconies too. They normally don't do balconies because it's ugly, but I really don't approve this way of thinking. In my city, they do less and less balcony on new building, but it's so important to have to have the ability to go outside for the health. You know,
Hmm.
it's just find it stupid. You can have some nice balcony. Oh yeah, they are there. The balcony here, right? They
That's
are
it,
here,
yeah. Outside
and then
balcony
you
on the
can
back.
make a counter pillar, right? You make a contour pillar
You would just have the two buildings
like
standing
this.
against each other both ways.
No, I mean, you make a contour pillar like this. It would be beautiful. I don't know what I'm saying, but I call this a contour pillar.
Support pillars.
Yeah.
To be honest, the counterweight on that building would be crazy. You would need almost a mountain for it to sit against. That's the way that you could design it. You could have like a nice
But you need a
mountain.
pillar here because there's the center mass is here plus there, so it's around. Center mass would be around here,
Yeah, that would fall
maybe
over.
there, something around
Turn
here.
turn gravity on, see if it works.
It's not physical.
Do you
Oh,
not?
you want
Yeah, do it in there. Just select everything, turn gravity.
That's too complicated. You need to make sure they don't touch each other and they will fall. Oh, I think it will fit probably. Not sure. Center of mass look like here, so it's likely to balance, but I'm not sure.
I think that one's gonna fall.
Maybe. Or if there's wind in this direction, what's gonna happen? No.
Yeah, it takes people to run the wrong way inside.
I mean, it's the future. You could have carbon fiber cable like that pull in this direction, for the inside. They could have cables instead. Oh, that could be beautiful. Cables.
Counterbalance.
In a nice pattern,
Mhm.
Cable in a very nice pattern. Where birds can go on it and shit everywhere. Huh.
What do we all say? Who needs rules in VR? We don't care. We can make it as long as it looks beautiful. It doesn't matter.
BioCrowd say earthquake simulation and hurricane could be cool too. I'm not sure I need that in game mechanic, even if it's too realistic,
Yeah.
I'm
Can you
joking.
imagine every year they have an earthquake just
Oh
to
my
prove
god.
which buildings actually survive and don't.
Oh, I know. Wilson, you make a building where each room like this can be moved, and there's no elevator. It's the room that can pick you. That would be that's not realistic, but whatever.
It doesn't matter. Right, I'm gonna have to go for a while.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be jumping on tonight?
What do we have tonight?
Don't think anything's planned.
Yeah, I'm
But
resting
nothing.
this weekend. Still have to think about my floor here.
Put a nice big rug.
I think the rule is a lot. You need details, shades, reflection. If you don't have all those, it's gonna miss something. You need complexity for it to look good.
Just put a nice chair in.
A chair.
That'll be enough for the stream.
No. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be good. It's been 2 hours already.
Well, let's say goodbye to everybody.
Yeah, look at my big face.
Right. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching the stream. remember, jump on. We can have a chat, or like and share, and do what you can.
Bye bye. You don't see me, but I have VC Face open.
Oh, I see it now. Bye.
Oh my god. Bye bye, Wilson. Bye bye,
See you later, man.
stream.
Bye. Bye.
See
Bye.
you next week.